Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So we are going to make a holiday card today. Isn't this stamp set super cute? It's called Dudley and a Friend Christmas, and every single image and sentiment is just so much fun. So I hope you grab this stamp set. And so I'm going to rub my fingers on these stamps because it's the first time I'm using them and I wanted a really good impression. I'm using my stamping tool and I am going to use some black ink and clear embossing powder. This is Nina Solar White, 110 pounds. And I am going to stamp those two images kind of close together. You can mask if you want them closer together. I thought it was okay to do it this way, and I am just going to use some green markers here, and I will have these markers listed down below in case you are interested. And I just had a fun time coloring this dragon. I think I always have a great time coloring these Dudley dragons. They're just so fun and whimsical and easy. I think they're pretty easy. And whether you use alcohol markers or paint or colored pencils, I think either medium is just going to be fun. And I even like this light green combo that I used here, but I'm going to go ahead and add some darker greens. And I mostly used Copics. I only used one Ohuhu marker. And I think it's pretty easy too. He just has a Santa hat, so I thought it was pretty easy. And this mouse here too is pretty easy. He's a nice size. And so just finishing that up, blending them together. And I like the tree too. It would be cute if, I probably should have did a different color tree, but maybe you can do a different color tree. That would be super fun. Nowadays you can get like the artificial like pink tree or blue or even silver. So much fun. So I'm just using some red markers and coloring in their hats and the scarf on this mouse. And then I will go in with some gray markers like my warm gray and color in the mouse. And after this, I will color in the ears, and I do add some pink to his tummy that I will go later and use a colorless blender marker just to blend that in a little bit. And that was my warm gray marker that I used on his little, what do you call those? You know, those spikes. That's what I'm going to call them. And then I'm just using these, I'm just finishing in the mouse, and then I will add those pink markers to the ears and the tummy, and then I go back later and color in his tongue. I had forgot on camera, but I will have the markers listed. I believe I just used the R11 and I used R21. And trying to add some pink to this dragon's cheeks and yellow for the star. And then here is where I blend in for the stomach. or the tummy. And then here is the stencil. It's cloudy, and I'm using Salty Ocean Distress Oxide ink and just giving some clouds or sky. Maybe I'm going to make it snow kind of, because I'm adding some picket fence ink just to make it a little more white. And it actually kind of looks like a yellowish white. It's hard to tell on camera, but I do like how it looks in real life. And the ground, I used Mowed Lawn and then some Hickory Smoke Distress Oxide inks. And I thought that looked kind of fun for the ground. And then I'm just cutting my panel to be 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm going to be stamping some trees and some snowflakes from the Merry Christmas Around the World stamp set. There's some solid images in there which are really fun to make this background. And then I will use the Salty Ocean for the snowflakes. And so that is a great stamp set as well. I like how it has different sentiments in different languages, so that's a great one to have as well. And I will have the products I used down below. And so fun, I love it. So I picked out some pattern paper from the Tartan Paper Pad 6x6. It's cut out with a stitched rectangle die from the Honeycomb die set. And my sentiment was stamped and heat embossed on red cardstock. I fussy cut it out from the Dudley and Friend Christmas stamp set that says, "Merry everything and happy always," which is a great sentiment. And I'm just gluing those, and it doesn't show too much the pattern paper, but I do love that little bit that is peeking through on the ends. And then I will glue everything, and it's a nice flat card, which I love. Easy to mail, and just using my Teflon tool to make sure everything is creased. And then here is some diamond stickles, and I'm just going to add that to the tree and to the little pom-poms on their hats and snowflakes. And that finishes this card. Yay! So I hope you like it. I had so much fun making it. It's really cute. And I will be back with another holiday card tutorial. And so thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.